Okay, Luxury Fred out here with the 1968 Pontiac Firebird. And I thought what I would do today is give you guys kind of an update to my restoration vlog and just give you a tour of the car inside and out and show you the current condition as it is right now. So let's go take a look. Okay, so I'll give you a walk around the car and kind of talk about all the stuff I'm gonna do and all the stuff that needs fixing and just make some comments and stuff like that. So this is my numbers matching 1968 Firebird. I've had it for about 20 years, restored it. I've had it for about 25 years. I restored it about 20 years ago, 15 years ago, something like that. That is the original Pontiac Gold color. Originally, this car had a black top is what it came with, so that's a replacement top, but that is the, I had it repainted to April Gold, which is the original Pontiac color. You can see that we are missing our Pontiac badge right in the center of the front bumper, and we're also missing our left turn signal and marker light on the quarter panel there, you know, in the front corner. That is a very fancy, nice hood, but it's actually not the correct hood. This car is a 350. It's not the 400, but when I restored it, I had been in an accident and I needed to get a new hood, and that's what I got. So I am in the process of getting an original hood. The original hood has 350 on it and does not have hood scoops. That's a correct 400 hood, but this car has the 350. Wheels, you're missing one center cap up there, but those are the original wheels. We have all the original trim and stuff like that. This is actually aftermarket. This is not what was on there, but a lot of people put it on there to prevent door dings and stuff like that. You'll see I did not, when I had the body work done, I did not replace that because that is not original. I did have the body work done by the legendary George Barris and his body shop in North Hollywood. Of course, he built the Batmobile and a bunch of other famous cars. I love the kind of the shark stripes here, the little molding pieces that kind of make it look sharky. And coming around, we do need a new rear window. This is a glass rear window, and the seam between the two pieces of glass has failed, so I do need to replace that. Coming around to the back, everything looks good until we get to the back corner where I was hit at a stoplight. You can see we have, you know, some buckling there and some buckling there that needs to be fixed. And that kind of concludes the outside tour. Again, you can see on this side that we need to actually take this molding off, and you don't have the molding there, missing a little of the antenna there. And these are the original Firebird windows with the Firebird logo on it there. Okay, so that's the outside tour. Let me give you a look inside. Okay, taking a look inside. Hopefully it's not too windy. I'll actually get in the car. So interestingly, I showed you the gold exterior. The interior of this car used to be gold. This is the original interior, and you can see at some point someone painted, you know, with proper vinyl paint. This is the original gold color here, and they painted it dark blue. You can see the original gold here on the interior. You can see the gold here on the steering wheel. When I bought the car, it was painted baby blue. So at some point, someone painted the entire interior dark blue and painted the exterior a baby blue. So you can see we're gonna replace these door panels. This is a rare car because it has power brakes, power steering, and power windows, and you can see the power windows control there. Everything works, there just needs to be properly put in there, and as I was saying, you can see your original gold color coming through there. 2-speed PowerGlide automatic, very good. It's interesting, it kind of adjusts to your driving style, so when you're gentle, it shifts sooner, but when you get on it, it will shift later. And I really like that. So if you're driving aggressively, it gives you later shift points between the two gears. Just worked on the brakes, going to be doing some more work on the brakes, although they work really well. Got these aftermarket gauges here because you need a temp gauge and a oil pressure gauge. Original radio, got an aftermarket one there. The other door panel's a little nicer, and you can see the dash is pretty good up here and intact. So the carpet has been replaced. This would have originally had gold carpeting inside, and this is what's called the Deluxe Interior. The texture of the seats is a little different on the Deluxe Interior, and you can see that overall the seats are in pretty good condition. Again, you can see all this where the blue is coming off. And then a quick look in the back. Again, we have the deluxe seat here, which is painted blue. And then I've been working on fixing the top motors, so that's why these back panels are a bit removed. And so that's it. That's a quick look. And then you can see that back window there. Quick look inside the 1968 Pontiac Firebird before the restoration. Okay, give you a quick look under the hood. Again, this is the original numbers matching 350 engine. I do have an aftermarket air cleaner on it, about to replace that with the original one. This car did come with air conditioning originally, but someone, before I bought it, removed the compressor, but you still have the big equipment piece there. At some point, someone bypassed the heater core, so instead of going into the heater core here, the coolant just filters back through the engine, or circulates back through the engine there. Again, original 350 engine. We are missing the fan shroud, which I'm in the process of replacing. And then a big improvement was getting this Optima battery. These are sealed batteries. It was about 300 bucks. Always starts, really, you know, never loses a charge. It can sit for years and it will still crank right up, and also no hot start problems or anything like that. I believe we're also missing the insulation piece that goes on the underside of the hood here, but other than that, pretty bulletproof engine and has been real reliable for me. I rebuilt the engine again probably 20 years ago, something like that, and really haven't had any problems. It runs really nicely.